Good morning, City Council. Doing this video to speak more about prevention and code enforcement within the fire department. Some of the basic concepts of this department is to provide education, which is speaking facts about prevention and learning safety. Enforcement, which are rules that are in place to push a safety initiative. And engineering, which is using technology to conduct all those things above. How code enforcement is enforced in our jurisdiction is we have certain firefighter certified and law enforcement guys that are trained to go out and push this safety initiative when it comes to code enforcement, which could be building enforcement, fire sprinklers, things of that sort. Any new code or anything that's applied to new existing occupancies. I know there's buildings that may be grandfathered in by older codes, but as newer codes come, we go out and we make sure that they're up to those new standards, and anything that changed within a building or a structure will have to be put up to new codes. Certain construction in the areas, one of the things is homes that may be abandoned. That's something that could become a nuisance at times and known to be areas where fires are started. So our code enforcement team is something that goes out and locate these facilities, buildings, or homes, and come up with a plan where get in touch with the owners, bring it into code or something, but that's something that they may do. Fire ratings and fire tests, those apply to certain things in our areas, buildings, homes, and we make sure they're applicable to each and every building and the different ratings, because they may be different. But at the end of the day, the goal is of this enforcement unit or department is to provide a safety initiative for structures, buildings. The way of doing that is first education, starting out small at the schools or go around to some of these companies and educate them on some of the codes or some of the newer codes if they feel like they may not know. The way we do this is through just inspections. So this is something that the department is taking a main focus on and something we will continue to do moving forward.